I'm Susan. It's been a while since I've done a journal, and I fell in love with this kit from My Porch Prints on Etsy. It's a Wizard of Oz theme. So I'm going to show you the pages I have before I start my journal. You've got this page. It's got the yellow brick road and the poppies, and I printed on the back this beautiful page. Then you've got your scarecrow, and I did that again. A book page of Dorothy, and I just used that for the back. Another book page. They're beautiful prints. I love the old-fashioned way about them. Of course, you got your yellow brick road. This is just a collage page, but on the back I did the this book page. I love it, and I love the gingham. And here are some the pockets and envelopes and just different things that you can use. Your words. Here are some pockets. This is a layered pocket. Another layered pocket. I love this kit. You've got a notepad where you cut apart. More pockets. Just go ahead and turn. More pockets again. I printed these on cardstock so they'd be sturdier. Tags and envelopes. More tags and envelopes. Another envelope and different sayings from the book. Another poppy envelope. Journal cards. More tags and journal cards. I love that. They are really beautiful. But then you've got your cut aparts. Fussy cut. And more tags. Tickets, tags. Well, I can hardly wait to get started, and I'm going to bring you along for the journey. So, let's get started. Well, here is my journal. The cover's complete. I kind of kept it simple on the front. And now all I have to do is decorate the inside. I've started with a little bit of ephemera, but I have a lot of decorating to do. So I may show me making some ephemera, but other than that, I'm just going to decorate and be back with a flip through. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.